Hello guys, welcome back to our Films Network. How are you all? So, as you can see it on the screen, this video is basically the review of the latest teaser, 777 Charlie, and my reaction. Heartwarming journey of a dog. Really, I liked the teaser very much, and it's very pretty and very lovely to watch on screen. A dog, a Charlie named Charlie, how she was set onto a mission with a goal in her life was shown very beautifully and starring Rakshit Shetty and Charlie in 777 Charlie. The official teaser was released today, and the director was Kiran Raj K with Parvamha Studios Productions, and in Telugu it was taken by Nani's Wallposter Cinema in Malayalam cinema. Prithviraj Sukumaran is producing it. Also, it's also gonna release in Tamil also and also in Hindi. But the sad news is that there is no producer for such a beautiful film in Hindi, as the Hindi film producers, especially the Bollywood industry, how it is deteriorating these days, how they are bringing up some useless movies, and after seeing this teaser, everyone will cry for sure, because I wept really, because Charlie, how the dog was trained was I'm shocked, because to portray, not this is not animations for your information. Some of them are writing on the comments that it might be animation, but it's not animation or graphics. It's the real dog. Yes, it's a real dog in which they trained the production team. All the kudos to them for training that. And first of all, again, uh, happy birthday wishes for Rakshit Shetty, the most talented filmmaker and actor of Kannada cinema, who acts in Kannada cinema mostly, and completing his 38 years of journey. And we wish Rakshit Shetty sir a good life, and hoping for more blockbuster movies for us to give like this. And coming to the teaser was just started with Charlie's opening, and how Charlie moves on in her life. And at the last of the teaser, it meets Dharma, the character, or which is Rakshit Shetty is playing. So for your info, if anyone hasn't watched the previous teaser which they released on the same date in 2020, where Rakshit Shetty's character was introduced as Dharma, as where Dharma life revolves around idli factory, beer, something, and etc. And where Dharma is shown as a person with no motto, no goal in his life, with all his hopes down. And the things turn around when Charlie, the dog with a mission, meets Dharma, such a person. So we can understand a dog is having a goal in her life, but a man is not having any goal, any mission, any hope. And how things change around is the basic crux and plot line of the story. And kudos to all the producers who have taken, including Prithviraj Sukumaran. He takes many beautiful films for all the Malayalam audience over there, and the natural star Nani's Wallposter Cinema is have taken the production efforts to bring it in Telugu also for all Telugu audience over there. I know the Hindi production should have also come up to take this beautiful movie, beautiful venture actually. And you can see how the pic looks, where Rakshit Shetty, where Charlie is sleeping with Rakshit Shetty on a bed. It looks very emotional, very lovely, and very pretty to watch on screen. How this duo comes up, and how Rakshit Shetty helps Charlie, and how Charlie helps Rakshit Shetty to come up with their problems. And I think that might be the basic plot line of the story as watching. And you can see how Charlie runs on roads, how it comes out of the van suddenly, and how the life of a stray dogs was also clearly portrayed on in this movie. And finally it meets Rakshit Shetty, and the teaser tells an adventure starts. So we are waiting for the adventure to happen, and we're waiting for this movie very eagerly. Charlie official teaser. If anyone hasn't watched it, please go and watch. You can't miss out such a beautiful teaser. And I am waiting for the movie to get completely and come onto the theaters. And Nobin Paul is a music composer, and the song with the background music was really pleasing to hear. And with GS Gupta, Paramha Studios banner are producing it, and they have released the Kannada and the Hindi version teaser in their official YouTube channel. If anyone hasn't watched it, please go and watch. And I found the teaser very pretty and very cool, very nice, very heartwarming, very lovely. And comment your opinions also in the comment box. Hope you like this video and review. Thanks for watching. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care of your